Driving theory test. What does this sign mean? You have priority. No motor vehicles. Two-way traffic. No overtaking. The correct answer is no overtaking. Explanation. Road signs that prohibit overtaking are placed in locations where passing the vehicle in front is dangerous. If you see this sign, don't attempt to overtake. The sign is there for a reason. You must obey it. A police car is following you. The police officer flashes the headlights and points to the left. What should you do? Stop immediately. Turn left at the next junction. Move over to the left. Pull up on the left. The correct answer is pull up on the left. Explanation. You must pull up on the left as soon as it's safe to do so and switch off your engine. What does a red traffic light mean? You must stop and wait behind the stop line. You should stop unless turning left. Proceed with care. Stop if you're able to brake safely. The correct answer is you must stop and wait behind the stop line. Explanation. Whatever light is showing, you should know which light is going to appear next and be able to take appropriate action. For example, when amber is showing on its own, you'll know that red will appear next. This should give you ample time to anticipate and respond safely. You're signaling to turn right in busy traffic. How would you confirm your intention safely? Flash your headlights. Position over the center line. Give an arm signal. Sound the horn. The correct answer is give an arm signal. Explanation. In some situations, you may feel your indicators can't be seen by other road users. If you think you need to make your intention more obvious, give the arm signal shown in the highway code. You're in a tunnel and you see this sign. What does it mean? Direction to emergency pedestrian exit. No access for pedestrians. Beware of pedestrians. No footpath ahead. Beware of pedestrians crossing ahead. The correct answer is direction to emergency pedestrian exit. Explanation. If you have to leave your vehicle and get out of a tunnel by an emergency exit, do so as quickly as you can. Follow the signs directing you to the nearest exit point. If there are several people using the exit, don't panic, but try to leave in a calm and orderly manner. You're driving in busy traffic. You want to pull up on the left just after a junction on the left. When should you signal? Just before you reach the junction. It would be better not to signal at all. Well before you reach the junction. as you're passing or just after the junction. The correct answer is as you're passing or just after the junction. Explanation: you need to signal to let other drivers know your intentions. However, if you indicate too early, they may think you're turning left into the junction. Correct timing of the signal is very important to avoid misleading others. Where does this marking normally appear on a road? Just before a no entry sign, just before a stop sign, just before a giveaway sign, just before a no through road sign. The correct answer is just before a no entry sign. Explanation: this road marking means you should give way to traffic on the main road. It might not be used at junctions where there isn't much traffic. However, if there's a double broken line across the junction, the giveaway rules still apply. Where can you find reflective amber studs on a motorway? Separating the lanes. On the left-hand edge of the road. Separating the slip road from the motorway. On the right-hand edge of the road. The correct answer is on the right-hand edge of the road. Explanation: at night or in poor visibility, reflective studs on the road help you to judge your position on the carriageway. What do these zigzag lines at pedestrian crossings mean? Parking allowed only for a short time. Sounding horn isn't allowed. No parking at any time. Slow down to 20 mph. The correct answer is no parking at any time. Explanation: the approach to and exit from a pedestrian crossing is marked with zigzag lines. You mustn't park on them or overtake the leading vehicle when approaching the crossing. Parking here would block the view for pedestrians and approaching traffic. When may you use hazard warning lights while you're driving? On the approach to Tucson crossings where cyclists are waiting to cross. On rural routes after sign warning of animals. Instead of sounding the horn in a built-up area between 11:30 p.m. and 7:00 a.m. On a motorway or unrestricted dual carriageway to warn of a hazard ahead. The correct answer is on a motorway or unrestricted dual carriageway to warn of a hazard ahead. Explanation: when there's queuing traffic ahead and you have to slow down or even stop, briefly showing your hazard warning lights will help alert following traffic to the hazard.